Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're flying over Malibu, one of my favorite cities in Southern California. And I picked a very sunny day to go and take out my first flight out of Malibu Bluff. As you can see, this view of the mansions to the left and the beach homes down to the right, with the waves kind of just crashing in. I can't believe this is how the rich people, they live. This is quite amazing. I've shot photography up and down Malibu, but I've never seen this view from this perspective, so it gives me a renewed energy to pursue videography. On this really quick 2-minute flight, we're heading back to Malibu Bluffs as we cruise past these beautiful mansions down here to the bottom left. We're approaching, I believe, the last property before we reach Malibu. On the upper left, you have Pepperdine, and coming up to the far horizon, you will see Surfrider Beach. Alright guys, thank you for flying with me, and I hope you guys come back for more flying adventures. This is my maiden flight, and hopefully you guys didn't get motion sickness. Thank you guys, I appreciate it.